door knock, you say? But if you say door knock, that's trouble now, you know.
Babes are gonna come, take it to the bed, to the chair, to the ground. I hear bops. I said, what this gun just make the song?
Yeah.
Probably that's my son, babes. Let me keep it down.
Yeah.
The Milkman ways, I beat it up like a drum.
Yeah.
I bust a nothing gun.
So what's up YouTube, Mr. Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Right now we have Stiffy. We have Stiffy song called Milkman. Stiffy Milkman. Let me ask the people official preview. I see that this is not what I remember why I'm never react to this yet. Because when we recommend it, we got search feed, I'm gonna say preview in the title, and I was like, okay, so the visuals, the original thing, the official thing soon drop. And until this day, 2 months from now, 2 months, no, this been out for 2 months, and I haven't seen anything else other than this drop, and this says official preview still. I remember when I told me to do this at first time. Just see them, just remember this. I'm gonna go back right now and see it there. Yeah. So I'm gonna see what I'm going for this right now. I watched this already, but I remember how this is gonna do. Honestly, I don't remember how this is going, but I'm telling you, I watched a video already. It's been up for 2 months, and it's been a recommend. And I like to just start the Guyanese reaction. I know the thing already over channel. It's even post every single day. But I don't remember how this goes though. But this says preview, so I remember exactly why I didn't do this video. Because it's a preview. Where is the original thing? Like on the video, comment on the video, see your comments, video post. Run tune!
Pull up on this girl, feel and tell him man some. Remember the Norse girl I tell you about living back at Stung. But she finally invite me over for possum. Say she husband Uncle Tongue and she want get drunk.
Yeah.
Just link her back, I remember about 20 condom.
Yeah.
Plus you little dog brung, but I got to get some.
Yeah.
Pull up at she yard if you see the night gum.
Yeah.
Virgin, everything printing to the front.
What?
So we gone inside the crib and I start beat up blunt.
Yeah.
Yeah. I taking it real slow, me ain't rushing into none.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make 4, she said come not taste some. Tonight, I want you fuck me till I drop down. Gone in
Why is she wicked to herself? So why this lady want I for knock her until she drop down? But we are gonna pull up it in the cars right now. It's a put herself on.
Pull up on this girl, feel and tell him man some. Remember the Norse girl I tell you about living back at Stung.
Yeah.
She finally invite me over for possum.
So when I pause, I saw you one brave fair girl people woman yard. I saw you brave fair girl woman yard. You know say that no work. That's not the right thing for doing no. But go on.
Husband Uncle Tongue and she want get drunk.
Husband,
Just link her
pause.
back.
Don't mess with married woman. Don't do it. It is not right. Don't do it. But go on, talk. Don't do it, do a youths. Get the youths. Left the married woman them alone. Me know them have the money and no want money, but left them alone. Go on.
I remember about 20 condom. Plus you little dog brung, but I got to get some.
Yeah.
Pull up at she yard if you see the night gum.
Yeah.
Virgin, everything printing to the front. So we gone in.
Nah, the yard pretty cause a big girl she living and she married and her husband out of town. That means them have money. Yes, it a got pretty. But they pull up at the yard. Much can't you have run 20 yard condom? Go and talk your talk.
To the crib and I start beat up blunt. Yeah, I taking it real slow, me ain't rushing into none.
What?
Yeah, you make 4, she said come not taste some.
Yeah.
Tonight, I want you fuck me till I drop down.
When I say that, come out and carrying about a backside blunt and said so. I know I take it easy, like I'm not rushing thing, you know. You understand me? He's taking it easy, them not rushing it up people. You know me? And then the man, yeah, girl I meet 4. She said, come here, Tyrekevlogs, reaction boss. She want me. For knock her till she, oh Lord, man, nah, knock it till you drop down. Sorry, that I send me God prison. Go on.
Gone inside the room, yeah, playtime done. Give it to she heart, she said babes are gonna come. Take it to the bed, to the chair, to the ground. I hear bops. I said what this gun just make the song. She said
Well, on the pause. Take it to the room, pan the bed, pan the chair, pan the ground. Don't stop. What, you door knock, you say? But if you say door knock, that's trouble now, you know.
Babes are gonna come, take it to the bed, to the chair, to the ground. I hear bops. I said, what this gun just make the song?
Yeah.
So probably that's my son, babes. Let me keep it down. You
Yeah.
know the Milkman ways, I beat it up like a drum.
Yeah.
I bust nothing down.
Yo, the dog said, she said, I probably just said her son. So let's take it down a little slow. You see me? The dog said, oh, you know the Milkman ways, we beat it up. I tell him that. Milkman. Yeah, turn there, man out there. Go on.
For a second rung, I hear bops. I said, girl, I can get up and run. She says, probably just my neighbors wanna make themselves a clown. Anyways, like Sue trying to spoil me damn fun. Walk to the door, open it and look stunned. Turn wrong, look at me, say stiff, my life done. Hey, G's and P's on my husband. He outside.
I never think say I'm out of town. What if you call over the milkman? What if you call over the milkman and your husband down out of town? Or if you call over the milkman and put the milkman in the situation, you cannot put the milkman in these situations. The milkman only come through when the husband out of town. Okay? Don't you dare call over the milkman if your husband is or at home. Don't you do it. It is not right. It's wrong. Make we hear what go on do. Go on, milkman.
Then he got the damn gun and there's a 4-story building, little dog. Oh, scun, can't even play a Spider-Man game and jump down.
Yeah,
man walk inside and say, bitch.
That 4-story building dog, oh, scun. He couldn't even play a Spider-Man game and jump down. Me ratted. Hold on. You know what go on, we're not talking about that different. Like, hold on, pause. If you're watching the video right now, please drop a like on the video right now if you're enjoying the reaction. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, guys, please smack that subscribe button in the face. We're on the road to 40k subscribers to end this year off. I'm trying to reach 40,000 subscribers before the end of December, before the end of this year. You understand? Before December 31st, we want to reach 40k. Please, we can do it. I know we can. Let's go. Run tune.
Move. I step on vacay and guy hear this news that you got another man in the king room. I can bury you and him in the same tomb. When I hear that you buy freeze like ice, I went going inside of me, I was so Christ. Just a little part of cake and make I lose my life. Me ain't even get a youth yet. This ain't even right. I'll open the door and say any last.
So if that way should I get a youth, him not get a youth and him have a son in the house. But dog, it don't even reach where I go good. And you see have a money that the king, like man in a king house. He gonna bury you and you want the milkman in the same tomb. Which is only right. Now you may want. If you go get it, go on. No so you go. Run tune.
Tonight I can show you is a very dark world. Chill inside me house, you gon' flash me damn girl. I hope you enjoy the lashing cause you going inside the door. I was like, calm down sir, it's not even like that. I just came over here to have a little chat. OMG, I love your 6-pack. Your wife told me so much.
Wow. Well on. Calm down sir, it's nothing like that. OMG, you love what? Burn up, all of that. Make sure me hear what you say right, you know, because if I that say right, go on.
Like that, I just came over here to have a little chat. OMG, I love your 6-pack. Your wife told me so much about you, Mrs. Zach. You must have kind of
no. What you say you love? Oh, for which part, what kind of 6-pack? Brother, you will get gunshot from now till tomorrow. You don't know about your bantan, we say boom, bye. What? Let me hear you say a tune, because if you think that goes today.
Citation is this, yo fish, it's time now for you exit. I was like, okay sir, see you later Tish. Grab all my stuff and make a dash for it quick.
Hey, oh okay, alright, me get it. Him do one say that. Him do one say that to get away from bro God. Alright. So the man legit thinks you're a batty boy. So he thinks you're a wife batty man friend basically. But that song that we just reacted a while ago, the Stiffy Milkman song. Remember that song we jump on the scream same time. The Azar you know so bro got them for the name that I spoil the name that Azariel. You see me? I say Azariel, you see me? Yeah. That song remind me of that song, yeah. Well, this remind me of that one, that one that before this.
Officer, lumber with the tint now. You just put on a me neighbor strip now. You buy guys on a spin one flex now. Here one but they all lamp on a green.
What do you look alike so that?
Now that we've helped people
Keep
customize
man, I'm
the
dying, I'm look alike. But you know what, God, that different, that beside the point. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction box. I'm checking out my video. You done with chat, go. Hope you enjoy it as usual. Like up, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. We're trying to reach 10k over there, so I'm chat already. I'm gone. Peace out.